After an 8-month-long process, principal of the Merl Grove High School, Dr. Marjorie Fullerton, has been fired. Jamaica Maitland has been following this story and now has the latest in this primetime news follow-up.
The Ministry of Education has accepted the recommendation from the board of the Merl Grove High School to fire its principal, Dr. Marjorie Fullerton. Our news team understands that the decision came after the ministry's legal team reviewed the report, which was submitted by the board. The ministry concluded that it was satisfied that all processes under the Education Act were followed. Chairman of the board, David Hall, explained what happened.
The vote of the board would have been to accept the recommendation of the personnel committee. That's what took place, and the vote would have been provided or submitted rather, to the minister, and then from there, the minister would have given her comment today, and so the board would have followed through on that.
The principal's trouble started after a leaked Ministry of Education audit into the school's financials last year. It pointed to improper accounting and record management with summer school funds, canteen operations, staff trips, among other issues for the period September 2017 to August 2020. According to the school's board, after several failed attempts to have Dr. Fullerton respond to the breaches, she was suspended in September 2021. Parents and teachers alike expressed outrage. The Past Student Association went a step further with a petition calling for the board chairman to be removed and Dr. Fullerton reinstated. Mr. Hall says he's disappointed with how it all played out, despite efforts to deal with the issues internally.
We are glad that we have not put this out in the school. That was never the intention. As a matter of fact, where we are today, it's a mixed feeling. So we have never put it out in the school and the girls. We have had meetings with the parent teachers association and the parents, not talking about this issue, but a lot of things too regarding the running of the school.
As for the post of principal, the chairman said the position will be filled eventually. An acting principal and vice principals were appointed last September. And as for Dr. Fullerton, she has 28 days to appeal the ruling. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.